Beyond the typical desk job lies a fresh path in heritage sound mapping that preserves communities by recording living memories. Daily work blends field recordings, precise metadata tagging, and close collaboration with elders to capture voices that shape a town's identity. Core skills include acoustic awareness, compassionate interviewing, data curation, and storytelling, with growth through partnerships with museums, schools, and cultural nonprofits. Testimonies show deep fulfillment as archivists help communities reconnect after displacement, turning fragmented memories into shared resilience and pride. If you seek meaningful impact, this quiet career offers ongoing learning, interdisciplinary collaboration, and a lasting cultural footprint.